Example 2, a chemist has one solution that's 10% salt and 90% water, and another solution is only 2% salt. How many milliliters of each should the chemist use to make 1,400 milliliters of a solution that's 6% salt? Now, notice the difference here between the other one. This has 10% salt and 90% water, 2% salt, and 6% salt. All right? Of those four percentages, which one do you think is the least important?
90% water.
Excellent. Very good. You guys, I see, have watched Sesame Street in the old days. Which of these things is not like the other? Yeah. All right. That's all that's happening there. 90% water is helpful. It's good for us to know that the solution is both salt and water, but it doesn't matter. What matters is that the percentages are all the same substance. Salt, salt, salt. We're trying to make 6% salt, which is the middle, right? Halfway, or just between. And 2 is too weak and 10 is too strong. So again, too weak and too strong are going to be mixed together to create something in between. As long as the number is between 2 and 10, it's doable. If I needed a 15% salt solution, I'm out of luck. I need a salt shaker then, right? Get a little extra salt in there. But if I want to go stronger than 10, it's not possible because the strongest thing I have is 10. All right, so between 2 and 10 is possible. I want 1,400 milliliters of the 6%, so we want the final amount to be 1,400. Again, I don't care how much these are as long as the final amount is 1,400. And then this is X, this is going to be what? 1,400 minus X. Thank you. Always number minus X for these problems as of this time. Okay. When we revisit the topic, there might be some weird stuff going on. But right now, that's what they're going to look like for now. Okay. So once I get everything set up, percent times amount plus percent times amount, when the amount's a binomial, put parentheses, equals percent times amount. And then we simply solve that equation. We'll figure out what X equals. So 10 times 1,400 is 14,000. 10 times minus X is minus 10X. 2X plus that is equal to 80,400. Move 14,000 over here. And we get negative 8X is equal to negative 5,600. Divide that, divides evenly to 700, right? An easy division. So 700 represents X. So what's this going to be? That's also 700. Okay? Now, let's take a look at Y. Because if we can make these problems simpler, why not, right? Where is 6 in relation to 2 and 10?
In the middle.
Dead center, right? Half and half. If you want dead center, half and half works every time. Go through the process because the process is important, but just know that, let's say a test comes up and you get one of these problems and I just happen to throw a dead center. Feel free to just do it the easy way. But again, so 700, and again I want to identify, so 700, is it milliliters again?
Yeah. Yep.
All right. 700 milliliters of 2% salt and 700 milliliters of 10% salt. Always give me your answers looking like that. Give me the amounts and of what substance. Make sure the correct amount goes with the correct substance. In this case, they're the same, so it didn't matter, but usually they aren't.